0 to Professional English Course, a creation of Habib Riyaz.
Role play for English speaking and understanding.
Role play 19. Discussion about booking rooms in a hotel.
Amir wants to book a room in a hotel. He dials the number of a hotel. The receptionist receives the call, and their discussion goes as follows.
Hello, sir. My name is Zakia, and I want to book a room in your hotel.
Hello, sir. Okay, let me know which area you want to book the room in.
It will be good if I find it somewhere near Okhla, New Delhi.
Okay. Please tell me the category of the hotel. I mean, a 5-star hotel or a 3-star hotel?
Sir, I would like to stay in a 5-star hotel.
Okay, sir.
Yes, thank you.
Do you want 2 bedrooms or 1 bedroom?
I want a double bedroom.
All right, I'll book a 2-bedroom for you.
Would you please tell me about the facilities of this hotel?
Why not, sir? All the rooms here are air-conditioned. There is a telephone to call. There is a teapot where you can make tea when you feel like it, and there is a TV and a lot of other facilities. Tell me how many days you want to stay.
Yes, nearly for 1 week.
Okay, good.
Well, on which floor you're going to book the room for me?
On which floor do you want, sir? Tell me, I will book accordingly.
I want the room on the 2nd floor.
I am sorry, sir. There is no room available on this floor. What about the 3rd floor?
Okay, no problem. Book on the 3rd floor itself.
Okay. And tell me on which date do you want the booking, sir?
The 28th of March. Are rooms available on the 28th of March?
Yes, sir. Room is available here on March 28th, so I will book for March 28th.
Okay, thank you very much. Please tell me the room number.
Yes. Your room is 115.
Thank you, sir. Now tell me the total rent for this room.
Yes. Total rent for the room is 8,000 INR.
Okay, I will pay online just now. Is it okay?
Yes. Yes, for sure.
Amir reaches the hotel. The receptionist welcomes him, and they talk as follows.
Hello, my name is Zakir, and I booked room number 115.
Hello, sir. Okay, let me check it.
Yes, sir. Please hurry up.
Can you show me your ID?
Why not? Here it is.
All right, it's okay. Now please sign here.
Okay, I will do it now. Here it is.
Thank you for your support. This is the key of your room. Your room is on the 3rd floor.
Okay, thank you. Please send my baggage to my room.
Sure, do not worry. The service boy will carry it to your room.
Amir enters the room, but he does not find the room well. He dials the complaint number. The discussion goes as follows.
Hello.
Hi, sir. Hello.
Tell me what kind of room you have booked.
I'm sorry, sir. What happened?
You made me angry.
I am sorry. Can you please tell me what the problem is?
You're asking what's wrong. Look here, the AC is not working, and the night bulb is fused.
Sorry for the inconvenience, sir. I am just sending the electrician. Just give me 2 minutes.
Not only this, you can come and see. You must see it. The bedsheet is so dirty. There is a lot of dust on the TV screen. You give us this facility?
I'm sorry, sir. We will just clean it.
Yes, please be quick.
Now Amir wants to leave the hotel. He informs the receptionist about this. The discussion goes as follows.
I will go from here tomorrow.
At what time, sir?
Nearly at 8 a.m.
Okay, I will send the total bill to you.
Okay, do send. Tell me if you have transportation facilities.
Yes, sir. We have these facilities, but you have to pay extra money for them.
Okay, no problem. I'll pay. Please call a taxi for me.
Okay, sir.
Okay, here is the key of the room, and please send your servant to bring my luggage down.
Okay, sir. I will just send it.
Yes, thank you.
For a better experience of the course, you should buy our book, Golden English, Intermediate Level 2, 0 to Professional English Guide, a golden gift for English learners.
What is inside the book?
This book is very beneficial for intermediate level students. It contains part of speech, auxiliary verbs or modals, Some additional structure of English sentences. 20 stories for Urdu to English practice, direct and indirect. 20 lessons for English text reading and understanding. 35 lessons for English speaking practice, and many more things.
I am sure that my book, Golden English, would be a perfect need for English learners, as this will serve as a complete guide to improve their English skills, starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Especially translation, English text understanding, and speaking skills, whether starting from zero knowledge to advanced levels. Error is human nature, so if you notice any mistakes in the book, please do not hesitate to inform me. I would be grateful for this act of kindness.
If you like, you may share this course with your friends and relatives.
To stay updated about our courses and opportunities, please follow us on the links given below in the description.